It's ET here with another iMovie tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're doing split screen video. So let's go ahead and create a new project. For me, I have a couple libraries, so it's asking me. For you, you're probably just going to have the universal iMovie library, so it won't even ask you. All right, and I want to kind of go into iMovie library. So I got access to all my clips here. And what I want to do is grab one clip for the main timeline here, and then another clip for the actual top or bottom. So let's go ahead and do this one for the main, and let me go ahead and remove the sound here, lower that down. And the other one that I want to be on top or bottom, we're going to actually put, yeah, let's do that. We'll put on top here, and I'll remove the sound. Let me grab another one that's a little bit longer. That's probably longer. Yeah, we'll do that. Let's delete that. Okay, and also turn down the volume here. So now once you have this on top here, basically any clip that's on top is going to override the one that's on bottom. So we'll scroll through, and then bam, it jumps to that top one, and then bam, it jumps back. So what we need to do is actually, with it highlighted by clicking on it, you'll see a orangish yellow border around it. You'll go over to this first icon here, click on that, and there'll be a drop down, and you're looking for split screen video. So initially starts out probably left to right, and you can kind of look at it by scrolling your mouse here. But I want top and bottom. So we'll go ahead over here and we'll go top and bottom. We'll try top first and see which one I like better. That's not bad actually. But I want only a certain amount. I only want diamond head. So let me go ahead and edit a little bit out of here. Let's take a little bit off of here. Right there. And then for this part down here, what do I want? I want probably from like right there. So let's do a little editing here. We're gonna move this in a little bit, and we'll move that back. Okay, so now is that good enough for me? Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Okay, and there's one more thing you can do. You can actually have the video slide in, and let me go ahead and show you that by turning on the amount of time it actually slides in and out. So let's do a big percentage here. And of course, that'll be better with a longer clip, but let's do it in half here. Slide in and then slide out. So you can imagine you can probably do some pretty cool things here. Again, having a longer clip is probably a better idea. But let's throw a little diamond head here. How about that? We'll do the same thing. We'll go up here, click on the icon, and go to picture in picture. And this time we'll put this, well, not picture in picture. We want split screen. We'll go ahead and put this on the top, and we'll see how that looks right here. There you go. So that's how you do split screen. And again, you can kind of switch the style you like, left to right, right to left, and top to bottom. Yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. Okay. I want to thanks everybody for watching the tutorial, and we'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha. Right, Editing Eric here. Thanks for watching again. Here's a little bit of Ala Moana Harbor, Ala Moana Beach Park area from the Hawaiian Hilton. And this is a really cool hotel room that we stayed in a couple of years back. The only problem was the parking was kind of crappy. But other than that, we'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.